sun warm our way. Golden light on pebbled shore, Biograd calls me to explore. Palms and cafes line the street, the Adriatic sinks so sweet. Marina glitters, boats set free, sails like wings across the sea. From here the islands wait in blue, Poshman close, Cornetti too. Beach walk with Olivia along the turquoise tide. Biograd, a summer dream with beauty on every side. Families gather, children play under the sun's warm ray. Beach walk with Olivia in Biograd, I could stay. The promenade is alive at night, music, laughter, gentle light. Ice cream melts in children's hands while couples stroll the glowing sands. Restaurants serve the sea's delight, fresh fish grilled in golden night. Olive oil, a glass of wine, flavors of Dalmatia shine. Beach walk with Olivia, where the summer feels so near. Biograd's charm in every breath, the reason I love being here. Waves are dancing, skies are wide, adventure waits at every side. Beach walk with Olivia, the Adriatic is my guide. Cycling paths by pine and green, hidden coves where peace is seen. Kayaks glide where dolphins play, sandy soling calls by day. Fun for families, water slides, adventure parks where laughter hides. And just beyond the Cornetti Sea, a sailor's paradise calling me.